No doubt you've heard of CHG, chlorhexidine gluconate, possibly the best skin antiseptic to come along in the past 30 years. Many hospitals and surgery centers use a water-based solution of CHG for hand washing, and there are some isopropyl alcohol versions out there being used as topical antiseptics. But now comes a brand new CHG product from PDI, the healthcare division of NicePak products. With its rich history of producing the most efficacious pre-moistened wipes for the healthcare industry and leadership in infection prevention, education, and patient care, PDI introduces ChloraScrub, the skin antiseptic that is practical, persistent, and precise. If you're looking to reduce the incidence of infections from pre-injection, central line, and pre-op procedures, and their costly consequences, look to ChloraScrub. If you want an easy-to-use skin prep product that is significantly better than alcohol and povidone iodine products, one that works fast and remains persistent, you'll want ChloraScrub. ChloraScrub's unique formulation and effective delivery system make it a superior product, one that meets CDC guidelines for prevention of intravascular catheter infections and exceeds FDA criteria. Here's why. PDI's formula for ChloraScrub contains 3.15% chlorhexidine gluconate in a 70% solution of isopropyl alcohol. And it comes in 3 innovative delivery systems: a CHG swab, swab stick, and a maxi swab stick. Our combination of a unique formulation and an effective delivery system gives you a long-lasting, broad-spectrum antiseptic ideal for skin preparation prior to injection or surgery. Just compare. Other skin antiseptics are messy, they stain, and they can cause skin irritation. More importantly, they are simply not as effective. Their kill rate is slow and non-lasting. While ChloraScrub, with its one-step single-dose applicator, is easy to use, neat, less irritating, and is quick to kill microbes. The ChloraScrub swab, for example, reduces the microbial count on the skin of the forearm by more than 2 log10 in 30 seconds of contact time. And after prepping with the swab stick or the maxi swab stick, the reduction is 3 log10 in just 1 minute. Plus, the application remains persistent for at least 24 hours. That's not all. ChloraScrub dries quickly, minimizing the waiting time before beginning your procedure. No need to reapply. It keeps working, even in the presence of blood and body fluids. And ChloraScrub is compatible with most catheters. In short, easy-to-use ChloraScrub does exactly what it is supposed to do. It targets microbes with fast kill rates, long-lasting effectiveness, and less skin irritation. That's why we say PDI's ChloraScrub is practical, persistent, and precise. ChloraScrub can be used for a wide range of protocols, from strict surgery-level skin antisepsis to intravascular line insertions and injections. Approved by the FDA in 2005 as a topical antiseptic for the preparation of skin prior to surgery or injection, ChloraScrub is a breakthrough product that is superior to antiseptics made with alcohol or iodine. ChloraScrub's 3 innovative delivery systems bring clear advantages to many areas of infection control. This is the only FDA-approved CHG IPA swab. It comes in a user-friendly packet, efficient for everyday use. The swab carries 1 ml of ChloraScrub's unique formulation of CHG and alcohol, the only product approved in this form for pre-injection antisepsis. You just wipe it on as you normally would and let it dry. In 30 seconds, the site is virtually free of microorganisms and safe for injection. No need to reapply. In maintaining a sterile field, this is the only CHG IPA swab stick available in a peel-apart package. This innovative design is not only easy to use, it reduces the possibility of contamination. The sponge applicator of the CHG swab stick holds 1.6 mL of formula. Its square tip shape allows closer access to the site for thorough preparation. The flat sides create speed and efficiency. Scrub on one side, apply on the other. In one step, and in 1 minute after application, the site is ready. For larger preoperative skin preparation, ChloraScrub also offers the only CHG IPA maxi swab stick with peel-apart packaging. 5.1 mils of formula infuse the round flat tip of the applicator and will cover about 49 square inches of skin surface. The design provides adequate friction in scrubbing the site. In one fast, safe step, you're ready for the procedure. The CHG Maxi Swab Stick, like the other ChloraScrub offerings, are FDA approved for skin preparation prior to surgery or injection, and all meet CDC guidelines. When you consider that each year some 2 million patients acquire infections from hospital procedures, that many of these infections result in death, and all of them increase the cost of patient care by billions of dollars, it is critical to use the best tools available to prevent infections. ChloraScrub, with its unique CHG formulation and innovative delivery systems, is one of the most efficacious and cost-effective tools in infection prevention you can select. PDI's ChloraScrub: practical, persistent, and precise.